Well, the Christmas rush is finally done. Man, was it busy this year. I could barely keep up with my garden chores. But now we're back into the gardens, now that Christmas is finally over. We have some updates to get into, but first a shout out to the sponsors of the video. Mars Hydro, tent, lights, ventilation, they have all your growing needs covered. Don't forget at checkout you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING and save yourself a little bit of money off your order. And Seedsman, genetics from all over the world, they have something for everybody. Don't forget at checkout you can use my promo code TRG10 and save yourself 10% off your order. Alright, let's get to the updates. Alright, Hague Nights day 2 of flower. I flipped them the flower 2 days ago. I might have even waited a little bit too long because we still got not too much room under that VG80. Hopefully they don't stretch too much. So they're looking great right now, but they did have a deficiency about a week ago. They're a little bit short on magnesium. Thanks to my buddy Brett's Garden in my Discord, he helped me figure out that I needed to add more Epsom salts. So that's what I did, and they bounced back. I did a defoliation and all the new growth is coming in super great. They have gotten thirsty. I've been doing water changes roughly every 4 or 5 days. Actually, this one's out right now. I started to make the video and I looked down and it's like, oh, the water's gone. So I gotta do that as soon as I'm done this. I gotta do the water change. So I ended up switching to the Bloom Nutrients. This is just something I wanted to do. I don't know if it's gonna make a difference or not, but I gave them their Bloom Nutrients about roughly 3 days before I flipped them to flowers. So like I said, I don't know if it's gonna make any difference or not. I doubt it. Either way, they're switched to the Bloom. So as we go along, I'm gonna keep coming in here. I'm gonna keep removing leaves. I just defoliated this thing about a couple of weeks ago and look at it already. I have to get in here again and clean it up again. So something that I recently purchased for myself, a power meter. I broke down and I finally decided to buy myself one. So I checked the power on all the plants and they were all low. This one was, I think it was only at around 350, so now it's in the flower, I got it at around 650. In the 2x2 it was low as well, and in the 4x4 it was low as well. As soon as I increased the power, then the plants started taking off. Alright, that's all that's going on in here. Let's go check out the 2x2 and see how the seedlings are doing. Alright, under the TS1000, Alaskan Do-Si-Do and Critical Purple Kush, day 33. And they've been looking pretty good. Right now they're looking a little droopy and sad because they need a good watering. I've been waiting a couple of days because I knew I was going to be getting ready to transplant them, so that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to transplant them. Once they put on a little bit more size, I'll also be starting to get ready to train them. So like I said, the part was low in here as well. It's about 190, somewhere around there. So I increased it up to around 390. And then now I have it sitting at around 400. And as the plants get a little bit bigger, I'll just keep increasing the light. And actually as they get bigger, they're going to get closer to the light themselves, just naturally by getting bigger. And that'll increase the power that they're receiving anyways. So as far as the transplants go, I don't think I'm going to use this one here. I think I'm going to use this one. And then we're going to go over here. And I think I'm going to use this one. So I'll transplant those two. I wasn't sure which seedlings I was going to be transplanting, so I just kind of waited for them all. And today they're going to get a good dosing. And once I'm done once I pick the two, those are the two I'm pretty sure I'm going to use. All the rest I'm going to give to a friend and she's going to grow them out. Alright, so as you can see, I already got my soil ready. So we're going to get the plants out here and we'll get to transplanting them. And then, yeah, we'll finish off the video. right, we got the transplant done. Now we got them ready to roll. I'm going to let them recover a bit. I'm going to let them get a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to start training them. The critical purple cush is the one I'm going to be putting in the 4x4 under the FCE 3000 underneath the Scrog, because I heard that this one's a big stretcher, so we're going to put it in there and we're going to let it stretch away. The Alaskan Dosidil will be staying here in the 2x2, and we'll work it as best we can. We'll train it, and we'll try and get as much out of it as we can. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.